creativity has no boundaries, so why should your machine? Whether you're making a large quilt, garment, or you're working on a bulky project, the Baby Lock Jazz 2 comes with everything a quilter would want, plus the unique features you need on a utility stitch machine. With an expansive 12 inches to the right of the needle, programmable needle position for easy maneuverability, 6 LED lights that illuminate the needle and work area, and a blazing fast 1,000 stitches per minute, you'll be finished faster than you thought. And with Baby Lock's online tutorials and education, you don't just get a machine, you get endless creative inspiration. The Baby Lock Jazz 2 gives you room to improvise, and your projects get the space they deserve. So what are you waiting for? Make a project that sings with the Baby Lock Jazz 2.
Technology for virtually perfect stitch positioning and more precise previews of your designs and stitches. And now, with the Novi Plus technology, you can stop your stitch exactly where you want with the endpoint sewing function. Plus, enjoy virtually unlimited design options with the enhanced My Design Center, with 42 decorative fills inspired by geometric shapes, basket weave, leaves, and bubbles to elevate the built-in designs or create unique ones. The Luminaire 2 is filled with even more brilliant technology to let your creativity shine, like 2 new app-based features: My Design Snap for wirelessly transferring line art or illustrations from your mobile device to your machine, and My Stitch Monitor for remotely keeping tabs on the progress of your embroidery. Plus, choose from 5 bold hexagon shapes to give you more options for your embroidery and quilting projects. And 5 2-color quilt sash designs, perfect for eye-catching colorful borders. And single or triple stitch options for quilt sashing to let your stitches stand out. All working together to take your projects beyond beautiful, lighting up your world and theirs. The Luminaire 2 Enovis XP2, light years beyond.
The Brother LX38.
Step on it. Wake up really gonna wrap the time. Step 2. Some good, some moving, yo. Step 3. Grow hard out what you want. Step 4.
there's everything you need to get started. Just add fabric and thread and let your imagination run wild. All so fun, all so easy, all so affordable.